The world of e-commerce is no stranger to innovation. Today, artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the game. Savvy managers are leveraging AI to boost efficiency, improve customer experiences, and ultimately drive sales. Let's explore 4 key areas where AI is making a significant impact: automating product content creation, enhancing customer service with AI chatbots, personalizing product recommendations, and making accurate predictions with data analytics. These AI-powered solutions are not just futuristic concepts. They are practical tools available today. By understanding the benefits and implementation strategies, e-commerce managers can gain a competitive edge in the ever-evolving digital marketplace. The future of e-commerce is here, and it's intelligent. Imagine effortlessly creating compelling product descriptions, generating high-quality images, and even producing short video clips, all at scale. AI makes this possible. AI-powered tools utilize natural language processing, or NLP, to analyze product data and customer preferences. They then automatically generate engaging and informative content tailored to your target audience. This automation saves valuable time and resources, allowing your team to focus on strategic tasks. Furthermore, AI-generated content can be optimized for search engines, improving your product visibility and attracting more potential customers. By automating content creation, you streamline your operations and enhance the appeal of your online store. In today's fast-paced world, customers expect instant responses and 24/7 availability. AI chatbots fulfill these expectations by providing real-time assistance, answering questions, and resolving issues promptly. Imagine a customer browsing your website at 2 a.m., seeking information about a product. An AI chatbot can instantly engage with them, providing the needed details and ensuring a positive experience. Chatbots can handle a wide range of tasks, from providing order updates to guiding customers through the checkout process. This personalized and immediate support not only increases customer satisfaction, but also frees up your human customer service agents to focus on more complex issues. In the age of personalization, customers appreciate a curated shopping experience. AI algorithms excel at analyzing customer data, including browsing history, past purchases, and even social media activity. This allows e-commerce platforms to deliver highly personalized product recommendations. Imagine a customer who frequently purchases running shoes. AI can suggest new arrivals, complementary products like running apparel, and even personalized training plans. By offering relevant suggestions, you enhance the customer journey, increase the likelihood of conversions, and foster customer loyalty. Personalization is no longer a luxury, it's an expectation, and AI empowers you to deliver.